Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you a hack using these felt furniture pads that come in different sizes. They come in small circles, larger circles, and even larger circles. I also have some rectangular pads and they are nicely shaped all around, and I have the larger piece which is flat. So I bought these at the Goodwill store. I believe I paid, it was like $2.49 I think for the package, and I regret that I didn't buy the other package because they were all just dark brown. But I came home and I said to myself, look at this, look at what I can do here. So I have this patio furniture that was just wire, and now I have cushions for it. Now you can see some paper sticking out because I haven't like cut it, but this is the idea. I made some cushions for this patio furniture. Now here I also took one of the circles for each chair, and I made a cushion, a sitting cushion. Look at the round circle, how perfect it matched with the seat of the chair. It was the same exact size. Now underneath the table is one of the pads, like this one. This one is one whole pad, and I'm using it as a rug or a carpet. So you see how many uses this has? Even more. I made a little cake here, and I can continue making bunches of cakes and pastries just out of these little pieces. So we have a rug, we have the cushions for the seats, we have some cushions here, and we have the cake. And there is a lot more that you can make, but this is what I wanted to share with you today. This is going to be in another patio creation, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.